G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out.
Tiaro here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I'm just at this house and the bats have just fallen out underneath the floor because the bays are wider than 430 bats. When we get them made at 430s because the normal floor is 430 wide. And because this house is an older house, the people who built it previously have made the floor a lot bigger than 430. So what we've done is we had to cut in little divots in the end, so just these little divots here, and that basically holds the bat in place, so it doesn't fall out underneath the floor. And what happened was a couple of bays fallen out underneath the floor, and all we had to do is come along and just get one of these staple guns. And just staple it along the side like so. If I can get a bay to do, so we just get a bat like that, staple it across like that. Sorry, we just staple across like that. So there's the bat here. You just staple it along the side, and that holds it in place. That just makes sure that the bat doesn't actually fall out underneath the floor, so it stays up there properly and it doesn't fall down. Anyway, I'm gonna go and check the rest of the job. So that's the rest of the job over there. I'm gonna check the rest of the job, make sure all that's nice and like flat, and none of them's gonna come down anytime soon. And yeah, it's Eli from Comfort Zone Insulation. If you like us a quote, just give us an email, send us an email, give us a call, so this is Comfort Zone Insulation. Just search us up on Google, well, that's me, have a good one.